Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Yep. Anything else? Any other question anyone is having before we start? Any doubt? Anyone?
And one more question. Sorry to interrupt you again.
No, no,
Do we
please go.
have do we have any like a concept of AI in this course? Because I've not seen any AI tools or anything. I have not come across. All these are basic things like Tableau and the other thing. But any AI? Yeah.
For AI, we haven't planned anything. So this business analyst or data analyst batch which you have enrolled for. So whatever
Okay.
curriculum you have received, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, and MySQL. These four are the things that we are going to study. There is no AI or something like that. We'll be adding extra. What is the curriculum that is
Okay.
provided to you? That is the only thing we are going to cover.
Because
Okay.
I remember seeing the word AI over this, so I just wanted to like confirm it with you.
Okay. Where did you see the word AI?
When registering for this course, like on the Facebook, they had mentioned this ads and the other thing.
Mm-hmm.
So it was something because everybody is looking at AI now. So I thought even there's somewhere I had seen that word, like with AI. So I
I
thought,
got it.
okay, so
I
there's
got it.
something like, yeah,
Mm.
right.
But the curriculum is already decided. We cannot do any
Acha,
edit
acha.
in the curriculum.
Okay,
That is already decided. We have to stick very strictly on the curriculum part.
right.
Okay.
And are we covering this agile thing also in this?
No. So do you have the
We are not.
curriculum? Do you have all the topics that we are going to cover? Not.
Yeah, actually, it was there, but I'm not having it right in front of me. I
No, no, no.
remember those
Uh-huh.
words, but I just wanted to confirm with you. No, no, no issues. I'm not saying that, like, how come you're not teaching those things? I just wanted
I
with
got
you, like, wanted to know what exactly is being covered, so that
I got it. I got
it's
it. Okay. So maybe what you can do, if you don't have an idea right now, what you guys can do, just go through the curriculum quickly, maybe after the session. Whatever we are going, let's say you should be having an idea what you're going to learn, right? And let's say if you want to have some extra thing, not like a top extra tool, but let's say in Excel you want to learn something extra, then just tell me. I'll try to incorporate that as well in the last session. Okay, but you have to tell me that
perfect.
you want to study this topic or want to have a brief idea on this. I can take that up if time permits in the last session. Will that be okay for you?
Great. Yes,
Okay.
perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
One thing,
Okay.
I hope
Hmm.
we will also be covering Python analysis, right? I think that is
Python, if you have enrolled for Python batch, then we will be covering Python. Have you enrolled for it?
the curriculum. There is the data wrangling and visualization, which has Python in it, right?
Data handling and visualization. Which
No,
topic, which
wrangling.
batch you are referring?
Hi. See, Sendil here. Even I enrolled for the same session, but I believe that Python will be covered as a different session, not in this one. This is more into the business analytics. Like I believe instructor will take us over to this Excel, Power BI, and Tableau and MySQL.
Correct. So if you
Correct?
have enrolled for Python, if you can see Python in your batch, then
Yes.
obviously you're going to have
That's the
that.
reason I interrupted. I enrolled for that, and the session for me in Python starts on March 1st, I believe.
Okay, okay. If that is
Yeah.
the case, obviously you're going to have a Python batch. You can attend it. Okay.
So you mean those won't be covered by you, but if we could see it in a module, somebody will take it, right?
I like right now it is not assigned to me. It might be like instructor have not assigned for that particular session. It because it is in March, right? We have enough time. So it is not confirmed yet whether I am going to take it or someone else is going to take it. So that is not confirmed right now. I don't have any Python batch right now. Let's see if it comes to me, then I'll be taking it. If not, then some other instructor will be taking.
Where can we see the dates of each session? Like
Here, if you see for my UI, I can see here every session, like Microsoft Excel is starting from 15th of February. MySQL was started on 1st of February. This is how I can see it. I hope
so
you have.
I can't see that, and I have enrolled for data analysis micro degree.
Okay.
That is
Uh,
the name of the uh,
okay.
course.